This one do this thing. This one do this thing. I was gonna just want to limit to your school alone, you understand? School already joke thing, you know. Alright. So we write f first, which is 3x plus 5, and then we write g in terms of x. So what happened now? We're gonna write back g, but we're not gonna put the x. This is our x in g. So we put 2 here, and that's x minus 1. Alright? And then you say 2 times 3, 6x. 2 times 5, 10. So you multiply this by 2 and this by 2. These are the only like terms, so it will be 6x. 10 take away 1, give you 9. So answer 6x plus 9. So the last function, hg. So g are the last function in this case. So we are going to write back all of g. Now g says 2x plus 5. I'll put that in bracket. We're going to write back h now. Now h says 5x plus 3, but guess what? This is already x. The whole thing is x. So we're just going to put back 5x plus 3. And then we expand the bracket. So it would be 5 times 2x, which is 10x. 5 times 5, 25. And we add 3. So it's 10x plus 28. So these are the only like terms. So we add these. Keep back the 10x. So for the last part, you have g, right? So you write back g. That's our x. So we're going to write back x, h now, 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3. This is x plus 3. 2, 5, 10. 2, 8, 16 plus the 3. We can only add these. Because them are numbers, right? We have the x term. We can add the x term to it. Alright, so we're going to write h now, which is 2x plus 3. That is our x in g. And of course, g is 5x plus 8. So 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. We'll add these, that's 23, and we'll just put the 10x. Alright, we'll drop in some negatives now. Try that one here. After one, I'm going to show you what the next step, which is to plug the number in the formula. So instead of just x, we put a number. Alright, so we have g not in the bracket, so we have 2x minus 3, and then h says 7x plus 5. So we write back 7 without the x, and we plus the 5 because this is x already. All of these are x. So really 7x plus 5 is right, you know. Alright, 7 twos, 14. 7 times negative 3, negative 21. Now, one positive, one in negative, so you have to subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger one. What's the difference? 16. So that's our answer. Once one are positive and one are negative, you have to subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger one. So f first, so write back all of f, which is 2x minus 7. Put that in bracket, and then we're going to write g. G says 3. This is our x minus 5. So 3 times 2, 6x. 3 times 7, negative 21 minus 5. Both are negative, so we add them and keep the negative. So that's negative 26. Let me show you one more thing where we have the plug-in. So we're going to plug in a number in the thing. I can give you one example. Because you basically, once you do this, you'll get that with ease. Right, let's say h of x is equal to 5x plus 4 and g of x is equal to 3x plus 1. And they ask us to find GH2. So all we do, we find GHX, like what we've been doing, and then we plug in 2 where x is. So I'm going to do it. Now H is the one that we're going to write first, so that's 5x plus 4. And then, of course, we have 3x plus 1, which is the G. So 3x plus 1. 3, 5, 15. 3, 4 is 12 plus 1. So it's 15x plus 13. But we're not finished, right? What we're going to do now, we're going to replace the x with the 2. Because that's what they want us to do, plug 2 in the formula. So it will be 15 times 2 plus 13. So that's 30 plus 13 is equal to 43. All right, so G first. Now G says 4x minus 2. So it's 4x minus 2. Put that in bracket. And then f of x says 3x minus 7. All right, so 3, 4 is 12. 3 times minus 2, that's 6 minus 7. So that's 12x minus 13. So now we're going to plug 3. Alright, so 12 times 3. Yeah, good job. So it's 36 minus 13. So 3, 1 from 3, 2. So 23. Yeah, man, good job. Alright, we could do one more before we go. Let's all use the same function because we only have 10 minutes. So we are going to do GF negative 1. So we are dropping a negative now. Alright, so F, right back F says 3x minus 7. So 3x minus 7. That is our x. Right back G now. Now G says 4x minus 2. Oh, a 2 there, so okay. So 4 3 is 12, so that's 12x. 4 times 7, negative 28 minus 2. So it's 12x minus 30. Now plug negative 1. So 12 times 1, negative 12 minus 30. So that's negative 42. Yeah. 4 7 is 28, right? Yeah, man. Alright, so next week, we'll step it up to something like this. F of x equal 3x minus 8 over 7 and those other things. And then we'll move on to the inverse. You're doing well though. You're doing excellent. So see you
Yes, sir.
next week. Yeah, man. So see you next week, alright?
Yes, sir. Take care.
Alright. Take care. Yeah. Good job. Today was good.